Very important right now for you to take 1 second and hit that like button. Help push us through the YouTube algorithm. And then it's also equally as important to pound on that bell notification, hit that bell notification and click all. That way you stay up to date on all my latest videos as the inflationary depression that I've been warning of opinions, because I am not a financial advisor. This is just my overall thesis of the market, right? And as we get into it now, you can see the XRP price is now sitting. These have been stagnant in the same area, waiting to make their next major move. Ethereum, you have the 1679.18 major upper resistance, the bottom part of that orange resistance box, which is the volume indicator, which you can see it acts as bearishness, bearishness, bearishness. As it's hitting it from underneath, it likes to get rejected, right? And the current support and resistance is, your current support level is the top part of this blue trading zone at $1,279.75. If you break that, you come down to the 1,089.95 that we've been talking about. And then the next major crash to the downside is the next green ring at $820. Cardano's, we talked about this yesterday a little bit. You can see we've had a little bit of a trade to the upside last night. Volume still crashing. What I think is going to happen is these moving averages, the 100, the 200, and the 50 are going to trend downward. This is going to trade up and sideways into it, and it's going to eventually come down, and we're going to retest either on this falling channel back test again, like we've successfully held it there. And here you can see it hit it, bounced, hit it, bounced, hit it, bounced, right? We're either going to hit this, or we're going to trade so far out before we come down. We're going to hit this underneath blue line, this underneath at 26.5 cents. This is your major next level to the downside. If you fail to hold this, 33.49 cents. And then Monero, we went over yesterday. It hasn't done anything since then. As this loads up slowly but ever so surely, you can see what we did do is, if we zoom in real quick, you can see yesterday we were running up into this little green run right there. Now we've gotten rejected because we hit this bottom part of the volume indicator zone, and you can see how it's resistance, 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 and now we're touching it and it's getting resistance. If it can't get any buyers back in, eventually you're going to trade down here towards the $130 level, right? So we're going to keep on watching that. Go take a brief look at Dogecoin is what I wanted to look at. I've got to bring Dogecoin back into these updates, but Dogecoin hasn't done anything either. It's been in the same area, which seems like forever. You can see how long it's been trading in the same range. We have to move our prices over to get into the current time frame, and unfortunately we deleted our orange trading zone, but we're not going to put that in right now because we're in between these two zones right now, where you have the 0.0725 cents major upper resistance, just below 5 cents major lower support. And as long as you're below these moving averages in the 3-hour time frame down there, you're bearish. If you can get over top of these and hold it, you can be bullish to move up this way. But I'm hedging still, like I've been all the way through there, that we're coming down to about 5 cents next, and we're going to hit this major underneath support level. As we trend along into the Shiba coin, you can see Shiba coin is just like Doge. It's in between the 739 and, with an industry exclusive price note, in between the 739 and 1214, and that's your major upper resistance, the top part of this orange support zone, which is aka last line of defense to the shit house. Your underneath support is 739, and I expect it to trade in here for the next few days to a week or two before I think it eventually comes on down to the bottom part here and runs into our underneath support. Like, subscribe, and share. Peace and love.